This is Sunset at Mason Lake, doing an overnight here. I hiked out with a tent and all the gear that I need, so it should be a beautiful night. You can see really nice lake, very calm. I might go in tomorrow, we'll see. But I'm drinking coffee and just enjoying the evening. Good morning. It is Sunday, August 27th, and this is Mason Lake, or at least the top high part of it. And normally there's a great view of Mount Rainier straight that way, but it's a little bit foggy right now. Really beautiful though, so some of the light is kind of shining through over the mountain range. It's hard to make out on the camera. I think if I pan over I might be able to see, yeah, you can kind of see the tops of the mountain, so it's beautiful up here. It was a wonderful night at the lake though, so I'm going to go back down. It's about 300 feet or so behind me, and pack up and probably head out of here soon. But wonderful way to wake up in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Well, that's the end of the Mason Lake overnight. It was a great night, really quiet. Amazing how quiet it is when you get out away from everything. But really peaceful, a beautiful lake, and I'm happy to have stayed here. It's actually pretty warm all night. I think it only got down to like 60 degrees. I had a big down sleeping bag that didn't even really need to use. The weather was perfect. I probably didn't even need to put the fly on the tent, but it didn't hurt. So hiking back, let's see, I've got to go up 300 feet and then down 3,000. About, I think maybe 3.5 miles or so distance. Not too bad. I do have quite a big pack on, about 40 pounds or so, all the backpacking gear. But that's about the weight that I'm going to have for the Rainier trip. So good training. And this was fun. I think this is something I'm going to do a lot more often. So enjoy some of the views of nature. Admiring some of the beauty of the mountains around us. It's pretty nice. Headed back down. This is only about a 45-minute drive from Seattle, so it's pretty close. There are a lot of other mountains around here. That's kind of the secret of Seattle. Everyone thinks that it rains and that it's crappy, and it does about 4 or 5 months out of the year. But the rest of the year, it's like this. It's beautiful. It's maybe 75 degrees or so, comfortable, and look at what we have. You can drive out here, spend a weekend, head back home, go back to life.